This is how to log into your Progress Learning to complete your stars for the study plan challenge. So once you log into your OLS, now this is a mock account, so it's going to look a little bit different. But once you log into your OLS account, you're going to go down to Resources. And here under Resources, you will click on Progress Learning. Once your Progress Learning is open, you're going to come down here to My Study Plan. Click on My Study Plan. And here you will see your different subjects of English, math, science. We do not test for social studies, so you will only need to focus on English, math, and science. So you're going to choose one of these subjects. You can choose any of them. Let's say math. We're going to click on 4th grade math. Once you click on 4th grade math, it'll turn green, and you can scroll down to see all the different standards that we will learn in 4th grade. So as you can see, some of these have something called Learn, not all of them. These are going to open up a video to explain in a little bit better detail what these standards are. So for example, this one next to multiplicative comparisons has a video that you can watch. Underneath practice is where you will practice to earn your galaxy stars. So you would click on any of these buttons that say start. It'll open up a lesson. You have to complete a few lessons underneath each standard. In order to master the standard, it will give you 3 yellow stars here. So let's look at one that's already complete. Okay, so as you can see, this particular student has earned some of these galaxy stars. We can see how they turned yellow. When you have all 3 of these galaxy stars, this means that you have mastered that standard. So this one here has 3 stars, and that one was this standard, find quotients and remainders. So this one was about division. So now that they've had these 3 stars, this will either show completed or it may still show start, but that's okay. You're just looking for these 3 stars here. So as you can see, this one here only has 2 yellow stars. I would go ahead and click on the start button and do some practice. You have to pass these lessons at a certain percentage, at least, I believe it's 2 times, and then it'll give you that yellow star. Once you have all these 3 yellow stars, let's go back to this one right here. You're going to look at this standard 4 NBT B6. This is the standard number. I'm going to go over to Class Kick. Let's do that now. Now here on my Math Class Kick, I can see that I have a list of all of the standards and their standards names. And right here, it has 4 NBT B6 that find quotients and remainders. Now I know that I earned all 3 stars for this standard. I'm going to come up here to my highlighter, choose whatever color you want to, and highlight. This shows your teachers that you have mastered this standard. So for each of your subjects, we have math, ELA, and science. You can see that there's different standards that go with each of these. For each standard you receive 3 stars for, you're going to highlight them. So let's scroll back up just a little bit. Let's say we wanted to go to English. Okay, so here we can see all the standards. They're going to match exactly what you see in Class Kick. So let's hop back over to Class Kick and go to ELA. We can see that they match exactly what you're going to see in your progress learning. Once you earn your 3 stars, you can go and highlight that. Let's take a look at science. Same thing. We have all the standards for science, and they're going to match all these standards here. Once I've earned those 3 stars, I can highlight these standards. That you can look at is up here. It says galaxy stars. This will tell you how many galaxy stars you've earned out of your total amount of available galaxy stars. Now this would also include social studies, but remember you don't need to focus on social studies. So far this student has earned 8 out of all galaxy stars. Well, if I look through, I know that in math they earned some. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So out of all the subjects, English, math, science, they have earned a total of 8 galaxy stars. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit more about this in class, but we're going to have some rewards for our star earners. And those that have reached a certain amount of stars by the end of the time that we will be doing this, there'll be some really fun things to participate in.